IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Balaygi anay sayangkat iti Locandia Cultural Center iti Syudad ti Batak ti premier tilawag ti Ilocos Norte Film Festival ang mangipakita iti kinalaing kinatalento ken panangitag ay dagiti Ilocano iti industriya ti pelikula. Tilawag ken nagtaod iti nabalaygi at tanok nga Ilocano Film Festival ken nagbalinitan akang runa na programa ti probinsya amang pabileg kadagiti lokal nga istorya, kultura ken kinasirib dagiti Ilocano babaen iti pelikula. Sigon ken ni Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos ti festival ket saan laing nga pakabuyaan dagiti pelikula no diket maysa a plataporma amang suporta kadagiti filmmakers babaen iti panagsanay, workshops, film camps ken dadto mapaya programa amang parangay iti industriya ti pelikula ti Ilocos Norte. Iti premier ni parangarang digiti entries iti nagduduma a kategorya a pakairamanan ti narrative films, documentary films ken student films amang ipakita iti naduma-duma a pakasaritaan ken kabadasan digiti Ilocano.
It really is a wonderful time to be able to witness the films produced through LAWAG, the Ilocos Norte Film Festival. This occasion celebrates the creativity, passion, and dedication of all our Ilocano storytellers whose work reflects the stories, values, and aspirations of our people. This program is one of the initiatives that I truly cherish and support. As a mother, it holds a special place in my heart because my own children have developed a strong interest in creative industry, and one of them is sitting here, my Chief of Staff, Lorenzo Marcos. He was part of an MIFF production. I don't know if you can see it on Netflix or on YouTube. You may want to research it. It's called Saving Sally. Through them, I have gained a deeper appreciation for the power of film to educate, inspire, and preserve the stories that are defining who we are. That is why I'm grateful to see the provincial government of Ilocos Norte continue investing in opportunities for our creative sector.
Kabayatan na ti festival ket indoolwan ti provincial government of Ilocos Norte babaen iti Ilocos Norte Tourism Office ken suportado ti Film Development Council of the Philippines ken Juan Flix the FDCP channel. Agtultuloy met ti panangipabuya dagiti pelikula iti Robinson's Ilocos Movie World manipod June 23 aging gana June 28 ken may danon pa dagiti aktibidad iti sumagmamano a pagadalan iti probinsya taptod adu pay dagiti agtutubo a maawis iti panagaramid iti pelikula. Para iti IFM News, Idol Rain Santos, Tatak, IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.